Certainly, here's a detailed step-by-step roadmap for a business analyst in 2023. Step 1. Self-assessment and goal setting, months 1 to 2. Month 1. Self-assessment. Evaluate your current skills, strengths, and weaknesses as a business analyst. Identify areas where you need improvement and what skills you want to acquire. Month 2. Goal setting. Set short-term and long-term goals for your career as a business analyst. Define the industries or domains you're interested in and potential roles you aspire to. Step 2. Skill development, months 3 to 6. Month 3. Foundation skills. Strengthen foundational skills like communication, critical thinking, and problem solving. Brush up on your business knowledge and learn about different types of analysis. Month 4 to 5. Technical skills. Learn essential tools such as Microsoft Excel, Power BI, or Tableau for data analysis and visualization. Familiarize yourself with project management tools like Jira and Confluence. Month 6. Industry-specific skills. Choose an industry or domain you're passionate about, for example, healthcare, finance, e-commerce. Start learning about industry-specific concepts, regulations, and trends. Step 3. Certification and formal education, months 7 to 10. Months 7 to 8. Professional certifications. Research and choose relevant certifications like BAP, CRA, or PMI/PBA. Enroll in certification courses and begin exam preparation. Month 9 to 10. Formal education. Consider advanced courses or a master's degree in business analysis, data analytics, or a related field. Look for programs that offer specialized tracks in your chosen industry. Step 4. Practical application, months 11 to 14. Month 11 to 12. Hands-on experience. Join projects within your organization to gain practical experience in requirements gathering, process mapping, and stakeholder management. Learn how to create and interpret user stories, use cases, and flow diagrams. Month 13 to 14. Collaborative projects. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including developers, designers, and project managers. Gain exposure to agile methodologies and other project management approaches. Step 5. Networking and professional growth, months 15 to 18. Month 15 to 16. Networking. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and meetups to expand your professional network. Engage with peers, mentors, and potential employers to exchange insights. Month 17 to 18. Leadership skills. Seek opportunities to lead smaller projects or project components. Focus on effective communication, conflict resolution, and team collaboration. Step 6. Specialization and leadership, months 19 to 22. Month 19 to 20. Specialization. Decide on a specialization like data analytics, business process improvement, or project management. Take courses or pursue projects that deepen your expertise in your chosen area. Month 21 to 22. Leadership roles. Take on roles that involve mentoring junior analysts or leading more complex projects. Contribute to industry forums, write articles, or give presentations to showcase your expertise. Step 7. Continuous learning, ongoing. Ongoing learning, stay updated. Continuously learn about emerging technologies, methodologies, and industry trends. Adapt your skills to stay relevant in the ever-revolving business landscape. Be prepared to adapt your roadmap based on changes in technology, industry demands, or personal aspirations.